So we just lost power, and that sucks. I can't work. So what do you do when the situation gets bad? Do you just sit around? Like right now it's raining on us and we got no power. So what do you do in those situations when things go wrong? Like we can't keep working, I can't keep soldering, can't continue what we're doing and what we're working on. You know, do you get mad? Do you get upset? Throw a fit? To me, I just accept it. It's just, it is what it is. I can't drive home right now because it's raining and I got bags on the windows. Can't work because I got no power. Just sit out here and enjoy the rain and do what we can. Not sure how much more we're gonna get done today. But I was just curious how you guys react. You know, put down in the comments, you know, tell me how you react to those situations. I normally react horribly. In stressful situations, I'm usually not the one to call on, unless it's car stuff, then I got it. I got you if it's car stuff. You know, I've had bad reactions before when we lost power on the bus before. I freaked out because I'm like, it's cold outside, what's gonna happen? And because I was worried about the bird. We gotta keep the bus warm, and then I remembered that, oh, the bus has a generator. You know, I'm kind of an idiot. Just curious how you guys react. Like it's something I'm working on and something I'm trying to get better at. Today I got pissed at first as soon as the power went out. I was really into what I was doing and I got freaking angry. Now I'm happier. I'm like, what can I do? You know, just sit here and watch the rain and the no power and shirtless man who keeps moving a camera. Hopefully you'll see us working again here in a minute. Honestly, I feel like a little kid, like waiting for the rain to stop so I can play. That's how I feel right now. Still have no power. We could sit around and tell ghost stories maybe. I'm still holding out hope. Still at the moment, holding out hope I can still continue what I was doing because I was having a lot of fun. Cross your fingers with me. Actually, by the time you see this, we'll probably have power, but see you in a minute.
We have power!
We do have power, and that means now I can get back to work. How about you put on a shirt?
It's still wet.
He has a dryer.
Well, I guess it's on now.
Let there be light! We have power!
Couldn't see you doing any of that.
That's fine. That was for me. Yes, we win. I won. And it looks good. I still gotta tape up some shit. I'm happy. That was not the easiest task. Now it looks good. I just gotta wrap these. And you have enough cable to pull it out. Fancy! All I got left to do is wire in the horn. We got power in the shop. We got power on the bike. We're good. We calling it done. We going home, and I'm gonna get something to eat. I haven't eaten since this morning. I'm hungry. I'm losing weight. I'm doing good, but I gotta eat. So I love you. I will see you later. Both y'all. Bye-bye. Shwing.